Have you considered Australia in your relocation plans? I strongly recommend you add Australia to your list. They're open to migrants a whole lot. Foreign workers are moving down to Australia with ease right now. The country is experiencing its own fair share of labor shortage that many nations across the world is currently experiencing. So you can move down to Australia right now to work. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you an Australian work visa that is easy, it is fast, and it is open to a wide range of occupations. You can move down to Australia as a chef. Yes, chefs are in high demand in Australia right now. There are many jobs in different sectors, and I'm going to be telling you about it in this video. I'm going to be telling you everything about this visa, who is eligible to apply, how to apply, how much the visa fees is, if you can migrate with your family, and much more. So if you want to know more about this, then watch this video to the end. I highly recommend you watch the video to the end so you don't miss any information. Now, if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to my channel. On this channel, I share relevant information to help you move abroad, to study, to work, and to live. My mission on this channel is to assist you improve your quality of life by opening your minds to opportunities that are available for you abroad. So if there's a kind of content you're interested in, then do subscribe to my channel so you'll be seeing when I post new videos. Right now on my channel, I have videos on how you can migrate to many countries. I have videos on how to migrate to the UK, to the Netherlands, to Japan, to Ireland, to Portugal, to so many of them. I highly recommend you watch those videos so you can know your options. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to especially appreciate you for all your support. Thank you for always watching my videos. I see your likes, I see your comments, and I see your shares. Thank you so much for that support. I highly appreciate you. So the visa I'm going to be talking about in this video is the temporary skill shortage visa. That is the subclass 482. So it's the 482 visa I'm going to be talking about. This visa enables employers fill in the roles that are having shortage currently in Australia. So employers use this route to hire foreign workers to fill up roles that are in demand in the country. So the first thing you need to know about this visa is that you need a job offer to apply for this visa. So you need to get a job in Australia and then you apply for this visa. So I'm going to be taking you through everything you need to know about this visa, and I'll be reading from the official website of Australian Immigration. So I'll be giving you all the relevant information you need to know about this visa. So let's start with what you can do on this visa. You can work in Australia for your sponsor for up to 4 years, and if you're from Hong Kong, you can work for up to 5 years. You can also study in Australia while you're on this visa, and you're free to travel in and out of Australia as many times as you wish while this visa is valid. Another thing you can do on this visa is to apply for permanent residency. After just 2 years in the country, you can apply for permanent residency on this visa. So it's a very good pathway to settle in Australia. So for this stream of the visa, you must be sponsored to work in an occupation listed on the medium and long-term strategic skills list. And I'm going to be showing you occupations on this list shortly, but let's look at more about this visa. I'm going to be doing another video where I'll talk about where to get jobs in Australia. I don't want this video to be too long because some people don't like watching long videos, so I'm just going to break it into two. It's going to be in two parts. This is going to be the part 1, and then part 2 is where to find jobs. I'll be showing you where exactly you can find jobs to apply for this 482 visa. So do look out for that video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss it when I post the video. So what is the cost of this visa? The visa cost is 2,770 Australian dollars for the main applicant, and for each dependent 18 years and over. You may want to check the conversion to your own currency to know what that will be in your own country. For every of your dependents that is over the age of 18, you'll be paying the same 2,770. And for dependents that are less than 18, they'll be paying 695 Australian dollars. You will have to pay other costs for English language tests, health checks, police certificates, and biometrics. So there's a visa pricing estimator to work out what exactly your visa fees will be, How long can you stay in Australia on this visa? You can stay in Australia for a period of time your employer nominates you for up to a maximum period of 4 years or up to 5 years if you are a Hong Kong passport holder. So what can you do if you want to stay longer on this visa? If your visa is expiring and you want to stay longer, your employer will need to submit a new nomination and you must apply for a new visa. So after 4 years or 5 years on this visa and you want to extend your time, your employer needs to nominate you afresh and you apply for a new visa. So can you include your family on this visa? The answer is yes. You can move to Australia with your family on this visa and you'll be moving with them as you are going for the first time. It's not like some countries where you need to go first and then apply for your family to join you from within the country. In this case, you are traveling with them as you are going to resume work. So what's the processing time for this visa? The processing time could be as little as 30 days and as much as 6 months. So it's between 30 days to 6 months and you'll get a decision on your visa application. So let's quickly run down on the eligibility for this visa. Who can apply for this visa? What qualifies you to apply for this visa? So number one is there is no age requirements for this. So anybody of any age can apply for this visa. You must be nominated by a sponsor. That is, you must get a job and then the employer will nominate you for this visa. And also you need to have the relevant skills, qualification, and employment background to perform this occupation. So for your prospective role, you need to have the skills required for that role. You need to have the qualifications for that role, and you must also have work experience. The work experience you must have is at least 2 years. Now these are the requirements that will be checked at immigration. So regardless of the qualifications for the job offer, when it comes to immigration, they have their own requirements, which is that you must possess the skills, the qualification, and the work experience for the role you intend to perform in Australia. And you must also have health insurance. Health insurance is compulsory, and you must also meet health requirements and also character requirements as well. I'm going to be leaving a link to the website where you can check details of all these requirements mentioned. So let's take the step-by-step process. Step 1 is before you apply. Things you will need to arrange before you apply could include obtaining a skills assessment, an English proficiency exam, or undertaking a health assessment. You might also want to get help with your application. And step 2, gather your documents. Documents you may have to provide include documents for your identity, character, skills, work experience, health and English language skills. And step 3, apply for the visa. You apply for this visa online. And step 4, after you apply, they will let you know when they have received your application and documents. And number 5 is the visa outcome. So they'll let you know if your visa has been granted, and that is it. And then you move down to Australia to work. So now I want us to look at the skills occupation list. I just want to give you an idea of the kinds of occupations that you can apply for on this visa. Now I'm not going to be showing you everything. You can look at it later yourself, but I just want to show you what to expect. So here we have accountant, we have actor, dancers, and other entertainers. Actuaries are needed as well. We have advertising manager, we have advertising specialist. So basically, if you're in the advertising industry, you can apply. Then engineers are not left out. There are different kinds of engineers, and pilots as well. Agricultural consultant, agricultural engineer, agricultural scientist, many roles in the agriculture sector. And let me go down to see more. This list is quite a lot, so as I said, I can't be showing you everything. You look at it yourself to check if your occupation is mentioned. I'm seeing stuff like an aesthetic technician, and here there's amusement center manager. We have farmer, we have archaeologist, architects, broadcast transmitter operator, building and engineering technicians, building associates, many roles in building, business broker, cafe or restaurant manager, call or contact center manager, call or contact center team leader, camera operator, that is in film, television, or video. Now this list is very interesting. It accommodates so many occupations: careers counselor, carpenter. If you're a carpenter, you can apply for this as well. Chef, I said earlier, chefs are in high demand. Chemical engineer, all kinds of engineers I want to believe are on this list. and we have chief executive or managing director. I mean, this list is quite cool, so it's something you should check out. I mean, go through the list, see if your occupation is there. Don't just assume your occupation is not listed. I mean, you've seen carpenter, you've seen chef. I think driver is here as well. I'm not so sure, but I think I saw driver on this list when I was looking at it earlier. So just go through the list, find out if your occupation is there, and then apply for jobs. Now, don't come to the comment section to ask me if your occupation is there. I don't have all the occupations in my head. Just go through it and check by yourself. Now, if you found this video useful, I want you to do one thing for me. Give the video a like, that is a thumbs up, and also share this opportunity with other people. You know, there are other people that may not be on YouTube that often, so share this video with them, let them watch it and take advantage of this pathway. And then I have a Telegram channel where like minds in this journey to relocate abroad meet. On that channel, we share information, visa updates, new visas, job opportunities. We share visa sponsorship vacancies out there so much. It's a place you would love to be. If you want to join, the link is in the description box, so just click the link and join the Telegram channel. And also in the description box is my email address, so if you want to have a private chat with me, you can do that through that email address. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the part 2, which is where to find jobs in Australia.